Hello and welcome back to Speed Freak Garage, home of power sports on YouTube. So I apologize for the 1 week delay. I finally got my computer, replaced. So we actually, while we were waiting, got our replacement swap manifolds. Now the reason why it took so long is because I didn't file for a replacement until around the time when we took them off the car, so not that long ago. But when I did that, what happened is the ceramic coating shop had a lead time and a back order so long that they couldn't even give us a promise date. So although the swap company made new manifolds for me pretty much the same week I asked for them, the ceramic coater took forever. So we're going to see if these are right, because if not, there's no reason to send these back. So that's what I got to do. I got to send those back so they can, basically they're actually, they're starting to kind of pay attention to what I'm saying. Like, I'm saying these manifolds are blatantly wrong, and they're like, okay, send them back. We'll find out what happened, and we'll make sure we don't do it again, right? So hopefully these are now correct. Son of a bitch. You gotta be kidding me. Fuck, what is that stuff? They're a little different. They're not as different as they should be. They still don't match the picture on the website anywhere close. Okay, so this is the new one. So, jeez, that's still not right. That's still not even close. Not by a long shot. At least they had the courtesy to get the polishing beads out of it this time. Son of a bitch, fuck, what the fuck? If you have a picture on a website, don't send something that doesn't... Okay, alright, just take a deep breath until we test fit the car. Okay, so it will now clear the spark plug boot if you use a 45-degree boot, which I think is what I have over there. I have all 45-degree boots. However, you still will not be able, I don't think, it doesn't look like I'll be able to change the spark plug still. Maybe you might be able to get a wrench on that. Where's the... I forgot what size that was. It was some weird size, like 11/16 or something like that. Oh, it was way smaller than that. What the hell? Is it 9/16? Not 9/16. 5/8. 5/8. Okay, so if I put... See, I was gonna bolt them on tonight, but I had to stay at work for an extra 2 hours, so now I'm literally like, you know, I don't have time for that shit tonight. Okay, so if we put it in position where it goes, can I get... No, no way. No fucking way. Where does that bolt hole go? That's the bolt hole right there. Nope. So the spark plug boot will clear with this version. However, you still cannot get the spark plug out. So, okay, the design flaw is really fucking simple. So this big fat ass pipe should stop right here, and then these two pipes should combine into the fat pipe. This skinny pipe needs to come all the way down past this pipe to here, and then the fat pipe starts here. And then all this is now out of the way so you can get your spark plug socket, wrench, whatever, on the fucking spark plug. Oh, I give up. I give up. I'm done with this swap company. I'm done. Fuck it. Send these old ones back, and I'm done. It's not that hard to make a manifold. Welding is hard. Design is not. Okay, so these are the rejects. I'll do this off camera. I'll wrap them back up carefully. They're not fixed. The problem was not fixed, and they still don't look anything like the website. I waited. Well, this one has ceramic beads in it. Yeah, this fucking one is full of ceramic beads. And this one actually might hit the spark plug boot. Fucking hell. Come on. Hell, this one might fucking hit my oil cooler. Are you fucking kidding me? What the fuck? This one doesn't clear the fucking oil. Really? I mean, really? Get that out of the way. Well, how the fuck do I connect my steering rack? Oh man, there's more questions than answers now. I mean, how the fuck do you connect the steering rack? You have to like put that through the... Great. So I probably have to unbolt the steering rack, or this. Fuck! That just barely. Okay, so it clears the oil block, but by less than half an inch. It's a lot of heat. And it clears the spark plug only with a 45-degree boot. You can't use an OEM boot. And you definitely won't be able to change the spark plug. Great, so if I have a misfire during an important race, then I can't fix it because you can't take fucking manifolds off in the middle of a race when they're burning fucking hot. Yeah. I mean, really? Okay, that's all I have time for. I mean, I don't know. I need a good, like, I need a good out picture. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and I will see you... Fuck, I don't even know. I'll see you some other time.